Good morning guys! Ayan, hindi na pala good morning kasi alas 1 o'clock na in the afternoon. Ayan guys, may panibago tayong video ngayon. For today's video guys, ayan good morning. Kagigising ko lang, 1 o'clock na. Ayan. So for today's video guys is ang aming celebration ng aming wedding anniversary. Yes, it's our wedding anniversary. Last 18 pala, pero ngayon namin isa-celebrate. So, pinapili niya kung saan kami kakain. So, sabi ko, saan restaurant kami pupunta. So, sabi ko, pinili ko kung saan ako masaya. Mga pagkain kung saan ako masaya. Ayan, kaya pupunta tayo ngayon sa, alam niyo na, dandarandandan. Pinili ko ang Asian buffet kasi doon ako masaya. Marami akong makain doon. Hindi katulad sa kapag lumalabas kami sa mga restaurant nila, hindi talaga ako masaya. So, ayan. Gusto ko sa Asian buffet lagi para marami akong makain. And actually guys, ayan, wedding anniversary namin. And siguro pupunta kami bibili, maghahanap ng wedding ring ko. Kasi the day before, nang pupunta kami noon sa sa Florida, pumasok pa ako sa trabaho ko. And then, kinabukasan, aalis na kami. Nawala ko yung aking, the day before, nawala ko yung aking wedding ring. Sayang, diba? Ayan. Di ko alam kung saan ko nawala. Sana dito lang sa bahay, pero hindi ko mahanap. Pero wala. Tapos nanap ko sa trabaho, wala din. Ayan. Kaya ngayon, papalitan na. Diba? After 5 months. Wala yung wedding ring ko. So, ngayon, papalitan na. Bibili ulit kami ngayon ng bago. So, sana maraming mga mura para makabili dahil kung walang mura, hindi tayo bibili. Ayan. Kaya, ngayon gagawin natin, hindi na tayo magluluto ng breakfast, guys. Kaya, na lang tayo, magkakape lang tayo, magbibihis. Hindi na ako maliligo kasi naligo na ako kagabi. Ayan, bago ako natulog. Naligo na ako. Kaya ngayon, pupunta lang tayo magkakape and then magre-ready. Ayan. Later, sasama namin kayo sa aming date.
I know it will send.
Honey, do you like that one? If you want, I know she really likes yellow gold, so she,
What about, let me see what's the rose gold look.
You want to see that rose gold? The rose gold's beautiful too. One's going to be a little bit more though. Yeah, that's a problem.
yeah.
So, when we order online, it has to come through the computer system. I don't.
Took her, oh my God, it took her a long time to get done to the channel. You have to have so many
And then
friends
here,
and
the
followers.
name on the card, the credit card number. That's good.
Is she gonna? Oh, so it's not gonna be available if it has to get sized, right?
No, I'm.
Hi guys! Ayan! Galing kami dyan. Jared Jewelry and we already got one, right?
Yeah, we bought it and we had them show it online purchase because I get 5x bonus miles, American Airlines.
And we're gonna pick
go
up
out
today.
to eat, and we're gonna either get it picked up today if it comes in through their online processing by 6 o'clock, or we're gonna come back up on Tuesday and get it. So
Tuesday or today?
today if it's ready,
Okay.
and if not, we'll be back up Tuesday.
This is your anniversary
This is my anniversary gift, which is also
Because I lost my ring. That's why it's a
replacement
replacement
for-
for my wedding ring.
for her original rings.
Guys, see you at Asian Buffet because we're so hungry. It's already 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Okay, we're going.
Bought it, didn't use it, so. What size feet I'm getting? 6?
6.
Thanks. It said something about we need to get checked every 6 months.
If you for some reason miss the 6 months, as long as the diamond hasn't fallen out,
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. I got the ring. Yay. Buy jewelry. Shop. Honey, do you have, are we gonna buy a stopper? Ring stopper?
I don't even know what a ring stopper is.
Ang ganda niya, guys. Pangit lang yung kamay ko. Pero ang ganda. Medyo maluwag pero pagka tumaba pa ako ng konti, diba? Yan. Nice! Thank you!